Imagine a world where every individual's joy could be amplified and shared globally, creating a ripple effect of happiness. With the power to spread joy instantly, our interactions would transform, fostering a more connected and empathetic society. Social media platforms could become spaces filled with uplifting stories and positive experiences, encouraging users to contribute their moments of happiness. This shared joy could boost mental health, reduce stress, and create a sense of community and support worldwide. On a larger scale, initiatives and campaigns aimed at spreading joy could emerge, with individuals and organizations collaborating to bring happiness to underserved communities. Technology could play a crucial role, enabling real-time sharing of joyful moments through videos, photos, and live streams, transcending geographical and cultural boundaries. Events like global laughter challenges, virtual joy festivals, and collective gratitude sessions could unite people in celebration, regardless of their location. Furthermore, educational systems might integrate joy-sharing practices into their curricula, teaching students the importance of empathy, kindness, and positivity. Workplaces could adopt happiness-enhancing policies, promoting a culture of appreciation and joy among employees, leading to increased productivity and job satisfaction. In essence, the ability to share joy with the world would not only enhance individual well-being, but also foster a global environment of compassion, unity, and collective happiness. By embracing and amplifying the joy within us, we could create a brighter, more harmonious world for everyone. Or I